Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this class, I'm going to continue from my previous lecture on how to design using Canva. So, I hope everyone has downloaded Canva. If you have not,
go and download it. It's for free. So let's go back to our design. So in this class, I'm going to treat the wedding card. This is a template for wedding card. I go here and click on wedding cards. I'm seeing different types. I just go, let's say, I think I love this. Let me click on this. So this is a wedding invitation card between clue and matte. In my own, I want to edit this. I will just simply say, let me change this to Ada and James. See, this is how I want my wedding card to be look like. Then I think I can change, let me just change the wedding date to September. Let me change this to Saturday. I think I'm okay with this. I go straight and print and download this wedding card. Go to PDF print and download. The reason why we use PDF print is because it's the standard particular document for printing. That's why we choose PDF print. So you click on it. Once you click on it, you now download. It's downloading right now. So let me come and save it as wedding card. Save. Okay, if I go to my downloads folder, I will see it there. You can see this is the one I did in my last video. So it's here. Open it. See, I've customized it to my taste. Look at it, it's looking different. Here was Wednesday before it's Saturday. Everything looks perfect and good. So you can always use it and maybe use it for somebody you want to do wedding card for. Print it and make some money. Charge them for that, and you start making your money, and your business is set. So it's very, very simple, and I don't want in a situation where in this digital economy we find ourselves, some people will not try to explore and see how they can succeed in this tough economy. Let me go back to the next template. This time around I'm going to design a certificate, or let me go with calendar first. Calendar, let's go and use this. Let me delete it. And okay, so this is August 2023. We invite you to share a joyful and touching day of our wedding. So you can see this is just a calendar. If you want to edit this and you said okay, you just want to build a calendar for maybe people that just newly wedded, can just edit this and change everything you need here. You can decide to delete the whole of this. You can decide to delete this one, just delete it, and before you know it, it's looking more of like a calendar for people that just wedded. And delete this too. You see, as it print, go to 3D and print, do the same thing. No, PDF print, not this PDF print. Download it. Okay, let's go and do for. Okay, just decide to name it calendar 2023. Save it. Okay, let me go back to the templates. Do for certificates. I'll just use this particular. Let me go and use something different. Just bring up this one. Decide to delete this. You can even write something like certificates of completion at the top. No, certificate of appreciation. As the heading. I can increase the font here. The font size. Let me put it at 28. Let me change the A to capital letter. Certificate of appreciation. Also remove this. So you can still work on it on this more. You can decide to put your logo, company logo here, put whatever you need to put, your seal and everything, your stamp. I'm just using one of these, not that it's necessary you must use this particular certificate template. I'm just giving you an idea on how to design your certificates. So thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video, like, and also if there is any questions that you want to ask me, move to my YouTube comment section and ask those questions. I'll be ready to answer them, or even create a video for you to have a better understanding. Thank you for watching.